I remember staring at the screen thinking, this can't be real. They handed me access to their entire system, the same one they used to grow a digital empire online. Oh, and it wasn't mine. I didn't create it. I didn't even know how to start something like that. It's so powerful. I'm still figuring it out. And still, I'm using it right now. Not just see it, but to actually use it like it was mine. You don't have to build a product. You don't have to set up a business. You don't need in-depth experience. They already did all the hard stuff. All I had to do was follow the steps they laid out. And if you're getting this email, the system is working right now for me. That was the moment it all changed for me. Because this didn't feel like another start in digital biz pitch, it felt like someone reached out, pulled me in, and said, "You don't have to do this alone." Now I was nervous. I'd tried things before that didn't work. But this felt different. It was simple. It made sense. It felt doable. No tech. No pressure. No talking to people or trying to convince anyone. Just follow a few simple steps. That led to something I didn't think was possible. And now I want to pass that same chance on to you. I'm going to show you how they turned $7 into 6 income streams using something called commission stacking. Trust me, you'll want to see this. Click the link in my bio now.